Here's how to check if your TV is set to standard or dynamic picture mode. First is go to the all settings option. Afterwards, scroll down and you will see there the display and sound. And then click on the picture options. Afterwards, at the very top, you will see their picture mode, brightness, color saturation, advanced settings, screen settings, apply all picture settings, and restore default. Now go to the picture mode option, and as you can see, these are the only options that you have on the picture mode, such as vivid, low power, smart HDR, sports, movie, as well as the game mode. So, it only means that your TV is not on a standard or a dynamic picture mode because these are the only options that you can have. It is up to you and you can customize the picture mode that you want to your television, and picture modes options are depending on the television that you purchase or have.